Hey guys, I'm Binamite and welcome back to Burial. Let's get into this again. Okay, let's go in here. Here, this is the door that required a key. The promise, huh? Okay then, let's find it. You're awfully positive about that. Well, that isn't the wrong attitude to have. Whichever obstacles are in our way, you need to find out how to keep moving forward. What's wrong? We've searched all over the place and still haven't found the key. That means there's only one place left we didn't check. Why are you looking at me like that? Do you really want to go down there? Let's go look for something that could help us descend. Oh boy. This way! Huh? There's nothing over here. Down the hole. This much rope is not enough. We need it to be just a little longer. I need to find more rope. Okay, we got all the rope. I'll go down alone. What about me? I want you to hide nearby and wait for me. Huh? We have 2 lanterns, so everything will be fine. And if the rope tears, you'll be able to help me. That's why. If anything happens while I'm still down there, just leave me and run away. Again by myself? Do you really have to go down? I don't want to, but there's no other way. But if you won't come back, please don't leave me. Good grief. Oh! Oh! He gave her his scarf. Oh, Fluffy. Oh, but are you sure I can have it? Yeah, I don't want it to get stuck somewhere on the way. Well, I'm off then. Aww. Aw, friendship. Yes, I realize that I'll just end up hurting you. What? Where are you going? When I was a child, some strangers would come up to me, asking for directions or the current time and date. Some children about my age also came to me, and I played with them. And on certain days, someone would ask me, "Who are you talking to?" But after I had a little conversation with a lady in black clothes at the church, these things stopped happening. However, one day it started again, in the town. A girl in a black dress with azure ruffles appeared in front of me. Around her silvery white hair fluttered many blue butterflies. As the butterflies danced around the girl, she was so beautiful, yet looked so unhappy. But one day I came home, and she was there. I saw butterflies fluttering round my sick mother sleeping in the bed. The girl noticed me and said, "Oh, you can see me, right?" Oh, there's footsteps. What should I do? The door opened. But wasn't it blocked by that pile of debris on the other side? Well, it wouldn't hurt if I just looked around for a bit, right? Or you could just stay still. Wait, what? This place is totally different! Save, save, save! Oh, I don't like this. Oh, great. Please tell me that there isn't going to be a chase scene here. Please. Okay. This way. No. Yeah. Here. Then here. Sweet birdie, can you help me? Do you know about the 7 deadly sins? Yes, I do. It's not the letters that matter, it's the colors. Renee can't stay with you for longer. Renee? Is that your name, Mr. Bird? Yes, my mistress gave it to me. Mistress? From your point of view, this world may be a gloomy place with no way out. But you need to change your perspective. No matter what kind of wall blocks your path, there's always a way out. It's hard to see from your perspective, but Renee can see it clearly. Oh! 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 I did it! I did it! Feels like it's pretty lively in there. Maybe we should... Oh! Oh my! Is everything reversed here? Am I even standing on the floor? This is the entrance, right? Then what's that black thing over there? Holy crap! I can't go back the same way. There's something written on the chair. 3732561. What? I don't know what any of this is supposed to mean. Talk or one. What? 1 lamb, 2 lambs, so many lambs are gathered together. Who are they? Whence do they come from? Whom do they belong to? We don't know. You also should be same with the rest. Otherwise, one of the lambs might run away. But this particular seat is for you. Yes, you have been chosen. You're not like the others, you're special. What? It's hidden among the singing bones in the silent skeleton of the unforgiven. Even though I've dragged you into this, I didn't want it. I didn't want. Now I, who came looking for my old bones, will become another skeleton. These words don't seem to be related to this room. Could this be about Kai? If it says he's turned into another skeleton, I was trapped in there and he tried to save me. Did that person become Kai and come down here to help me again? What? Why were you the only one chosen to be saved, young girl? No one came for us. Why did you get that privilege then? We're jealous, we're pitiful, we're envious. You're carrying a mortal sin anyway. Why not enjoy it then? It's not enough. It's not enough. Embrace the sin. Sin more. When did you die? The number of flies and maggots will be your answer. The moment you move it, you'll see the insides full of fat maggots consuming the dead flesh, and flies that have all grown up. All at once, instantly, they will scatter around. Death is disgusting. Whoever said that? Being alive is much more disgusting. And when you don't have a body that rots, you can stay beautiful forever. Okay, what's the code? 3732561. Oh, no, I didn't mean to do this. Let's look at the numbers. Pride, Superbia. Oh, the crow said it's the colors that matter. What are the colors here? What's the... blue, red, orange. Blue, red, orange, blue. Okay. No, I don't have anything for you. Okay, I think I got it. VANITAS. Okay. Was that wrong? Let's try all caps this time. Vanitas. Yes, it worked! I hate it when things are cap sensitive. What the mirror reflects is the emptiness that comes after you commit a deadly sin. Why do you postpone the inevitable in fear? This chair benefits you indeed. Sloth. Acedia. What? Lily, you good? So what? You have been chosen because you preferred to give up. Substitute. What? Lily, is there something you want to share with the class? When will I die? I don't know. If somebody finds me, what will they see? After I die, how much time will it take before they find my body? Or will I stay unfound forever? Well, it's not like I have a choice anyway. I'll try not to die too soon. What? Sorry, I really don't want to step on you, but I have to open that door no matter what. Please, let me find the key. There's voices! I've just heard someone's voice! The key is hidden by those who cannot sing. And what does that mean? Cannot sing. Is there a skeleton here that doesn't produce sounds? But how can I find it in this sea of bones? Perhaps the best way is to just walk around until I hear a different sound. Yes! I found it! Finally! Huh? The skeleton over here. It ain't crunch. Ooh, what did I find? I found a rusty key. Yay! Diseases! That's it. If the door had been opened, the plague would have spread all over the world. But the door has been locked and the diseased people remained trapped in here. That's why they can't sing anymore. At least, that's what Lily would say, right? I need to go back quickly. Well, I hate to tell you, bud, but Lily's not waiting. Oh. Oh, she's back. Welcome back. Didn't I tell you to hide somewhere? I've found a key. Not sure if it's the right one, though. You truly kept your promise. Oh, yeah. Hey, my scarf! I never said you could keep it. But later you'll give it to me anyway. Yeah. Come. Oh, I didn't get to read that. Oh, yay, staircase. Oh, yay, hallway. Another hallway. I love hallways. Why aren't we moving? Huh. There's no door here. What's going on? Anything wrong? No way. This is the second exit to the surface. Lily? Or rather, it used to be. I begged them not to lock me up. Not just me, all of us begged, but they didn't listen. But there was a certain somebody. He told me that he was going to find the key. He said that he would definitely open the door and let me out. Sleep was the only relief I had, because I was always scared of the dark, scared of being alone. While awake, the only solace I had was waiting for him to return. But in the end, he stopped coming as well, and I've been alone ever since. Eventually, my body stopped moving. Lily? There was no pain anymore. There was no fear. It's all gone. All gone. Lily! I've been waiting all this time, but now everything's fine because you've fulfilled your promise. Now we just need to make more friends so we won't be lonely. Lily, I don't like this. Say, do you know the story about Pandora's box? I do. I love Greek mythology. There's a story about Pandora's box, which she hurriedly closed when disasters flew out of it, and hope was the only thing left inside. And hope was locked inside in the darkness ever since the box has been closed, and the disasters have been scattered around the world. This place must stay locked as well. No more pain, no more grief, no more fear. Only hope remains here, just like in Pandora's box. No more disasters in the box. A world of joy, filled only with hope. Right? So, back then you told me you would stay with me forever. My most precious friend. Lily! No! Lily, you betrayed me! Lily! You'll be with me forever. And for? I was betrayed by Lily! Freaking Lily! I will get my revenge on you, Lily! Screw you! Anyway, guys, that was Burial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next one.